Oo,
Kasi sabi kasi ng totoo eh.
oo,
Pag yung armas mo ay yung katotohanan, talagang mahirap ka talaga
mahirap.
i-ano. Oh. So ito yung ano ni sinasabi yung tanong kanina. This is Congressman Jill Bongalon, who is the second nominee of Ako Bicol Party List of Zaldico,
Ay,
no? Ito yung
oo.
prodigy ito ni ano eh ni Zaldico, at another rags to riches story din ito sa House of Representatives, no?
Mm, mm.
Ito yung sabi nila after the ano, ito sa press con nila. At andyan pa yung isa, yung si Mr. Skincare Gutierrez, cute bigote boy.
Yung mga parang pinabili lang ng suka, naging
Oh,
congressman.
yung congressman na, putang ina.
House of Representatives, no, for the Vice President to appear before the plenary and help the sponsor to answer the questions. So there are photos and even videos circulating that on the Monday morning, nandun po siya sa isang beach, no, in Camarines Norte. Sa amin po yun, sa Bicol region. So maganda kasi na-promote pa po yung Calaguas Beach. In other words, ibig sabihin po nito, wala ho talagang intensyon, no, na dumalo dito po sa pagdinig sa plenary.
Gago naman tong mga animal na to eh. 'Di ba? September 11 pa lang nag-ano na si Inday ng liham na deferring the office of the president's budget to the pleasure of the house. Taking it to mean na hindi na siya mag-a-appear.
Oo, do what you
kahit
may.
saan.
Ano
Yes,
ba?
do what you may. Talagang
Gusto
gago
lang
talaga.
talaga nila na balatan ng buhay.
Balatan ng
Pero
batan.
it's a waste of time. Yung mga paulit-ulit
Yes.
nilang sinasabi na ganyan, why isn't she
Uh,
coming?
and then they probably think it's doing them a positive publicity or magandang ano nila, kasi siguro sa tingin nila any publicity, whether good or bad, is still publicity. Parang ganun yung doktrina nila dyan, no? Kasi
Ako naman, parts, ang inaano ko dyan, they try to invite her all the time knowing she will not come, and then they will just rub in yung, guilty kasi kaya ayaw pumunta.
Guilty kasi or
yung naratibo nila eh. Paulit-ulit lang i-invite knowing that she will not come.
Ito yung pinastep down niya si Inday, no? Putang inang tong batang to, no? Totoy na to.
Upang i-sponsor at i-defend ang budget po ng OBP. Sapagkat kung meron po siyang intensyon, dapat Sunday man lang nandito na po siya sa Manila. O kaya naman, nakipag-communicate po siya sa office ni Congressman Adjong para magkaroon po ng briefing at i-prepare man lang at mapaghandaan po ng budget sponsor ang mga katanungan ni tatanong po sa OBP.
Do you hear the crack in his voice?
Ano daw?
Yeah, but he's forcing it, no? At she in fact sounds that he himself doesn't believe what he's saying.
BP. So, pangalawa, consistent naman po yung Vice President natin. In fairness to her, consistent in the sense na hindi po siya dumalo nung Committee on Appropriations Budget hearing, pati po dito sa plenary, hindi rin po dumalo. So kung ganyan po, it shows that she's not interested with her duties and functions as the Vice President of the Philippines. So kung ganyan po yung lumalabas, probably we can ask her to step down as the Vice President. Kasi nakikita natin hindi naman po siya dumadalo sa mga pandinig dito po sa Kongreso.
Narinig mo yung nanginginig yung voice niya?
Alam niya. Alam niya. He should not have gone there. Oo.
Yes.
Ay, nako. Tutoy.
So, ano po ibig sabihin nito? Hindi na po siya interesado at mas pinili niya pa po bumunta sa isang beach resort kaysa dumalo po dito sa pagdinig sa kanya pong budget. So, I guess it's the Filipino people.
Did you see him sigh and hear parang may
sinabi ko ba yon?
wala talaga Totoy, nako talagang he's wasting his future, no, with what he's doing here.
It's up to them, no, to judge the Vice President. Yun na lang po siguro ang mga reaction ko po dyan.
You're asking her to resign.
Kung hindi na po siya interesado
Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
Ayan.
Oh.
sa kanya pong duties and functions as the Vice President, we can ask the Vice President to step down.
How can you infer that from what's happening now? Hindi ka
Right.
attend, you're not interested with your job? No. You're
Right.
giving them the full hand already know what to do with that budget.
Tama.
Sinabi naman niya yun. Kayo na may
Oh.
nag-double interpret ng ginagawa.
Oh.
Anyway.
Anyway, let's go to Inday, no, and let's finish it. So ito yung bungalon at very very candid and very short yung sagot ni Inday, and I really like that. I really like her
diba?
yung sagot niya, anong response niya doon kay bungalon. Ito yung response ni Inday, oh.
Most of the congressmen felt na the Vice President, kayo daw po, with all due respect, ma'am, sabi po, mag-resign na lang daw po kayo kasi parang hindi kayo interested sa trabaho, ma'am. Ano po ang inyong masasabi dito sa sinabi ng quote-unquote young guns of the Congress?
Young guns, ha? Baka young gun na yan, ha? G-O-N-E.
Actually, kung mapapansin nyo, hindi ako nakikipag-usap sa kanila. Nakikipag-usap lang ako kay Zaldico at kay
Boom.
Martin Romales. Pero pag bibigyan kita, Len,
Kayo yung mga libag lang.
You know, that very candid but very short but very, anong tawag dito?
Pinitik niya yung mga langaw.
Parang pag ikaw yung si Bungalon at narinig mo yun, talagang sagad sa buto yung
Lulubog ka, Pards.
talagang, tapos nakasmile pa siya na, you know, pero at sinabi pa niya, pero I will I will
Pagbibigyan
entertain you.
kita.
Pagbibigyan kita. Ito pa.
yes, pagbibigyan kita.
Wow, okay. Look at her.
Gusto nila mag-impeachment, diba? So apparently, pakiramdam ko at sa tingin ko sa mga nangyayari, wala silang kaso for impeachment. Kaya sila nandyan. Kaya sila sige hanap ng kung anong gagamitin nila. Ngayon, ang track ni Franz Castro, ni Trillanes, is impeachment. Gumawa sila ng isa pang track na resignation. Parang papalabas nila, impeach ka namin for wrongdoing, whatever. And then, itong isang grupo na ito, umalis ka dyan. Kasi kapag hindi ka umalis, kapit-tuko ka. Pero, hindi naman kasi ako sasagot sa young guns. Dahil, kailangan ko sumagot sa 32 million na bumoto sa akin.
Tama.
Hindi sa isa.
Ay, nako.
Yes.
Sakto.
Alam mo parts, no? Siguro a few months ago, no, every time umakyat ako doon kay Joey, I don't know if na-timingan mo ako at doon sa mga live ko ni with June at din, no. I've been saying this, no, na eventually Inday Sara will draw her strength, no, from the 32 million who voted for her. That is her real strength, no? And besides the fact that she has done nothing wrong, dyan talaga siya maghuhugot ng lakas niya to answer everything and to stand up to all this demolition job against her. At yan na nga, ilang ulit na niya na binigkas parang 2 or 3 beses na ata na she is only accountable to the 32 million.
Oh, Pards, alam mo kasi siya, she has kept her humility. She knows she has the support of 32 million, and yet she is still subdued on saying that mas marami akong mandato, mas malaki mandato ko. She does not use that. Parang kasi siya yung kaya ko tong laban na to. But now she is now voicing it out. I have the trust and confidence of 32 million who voted me. That alone is enough for me to fight this. Parang naging ganon na yung battle cry niya, Pards.
Yes,
Hindi niya pinagyabang yung 32 million niya. Never before. And nagulat ako when she starts using it now.